You know what I first notice about you?
My sparkling eyes. My stylish clothes. My animated hairstyle.
Animated hairstyle.
I am animated, you know.
Right. I meant your teeth. What most people notice first about someone is their smile.
Right. The smile. That too.
People form all kinds of opinions about people based on how they look, and especially their smile.
Like if they have crooked teeth or dirty teeth, they leave a bad impression.
That's it. Fortunately, one of the easiest things to improve is the color of your teeth.
I like mine white. White and bright.
Wider smiles do look healthier, energetic and more youthful.
I love looking healthier, energetic and more youthful.
Good for you. Our teeth tend to naturally get darker as we get older, which is why teeth of children and young adults are usually whiter than older adults.
And why white teeth look more youthful.
Exactly. Plus other things can affect our teeth whiteness over time, like drinking coffee, red wine or smoking.
I have seen kits in drugstores that promise to whiten teeth.
Actually, there are a number of ways to whiten teeth today. Those kits sold over the counter in stores will whiten teeth, though, often not as much as most people like, and it also takes weeks longer, which sometimes is not appreciated by patients.
I did not know that.
Not being used under a dentist's supervision, they have a much weaker bleaching solution.
I did not know that.
Most teeth whitening kits that you buy at the store contain a tray that fits over the upper and lower teeth, sort of like a mouth protector for sports. You put the supplied bleach gel into the trays and wear them over your teeth overnight or for several hours in the daytime for 1 to 2 weeks. But people can still suffer some harm from them because the trays can spill.
I did not know that.
Because the tray is not customized to your teeth, it can be hard to make sure all the teeth are correctly covered, especially the larger ones. Some of the solution can slip out onto your gums and lips, burning the tissue.
Ouch. I did not want to know that.
There are also whitening strips, which are easier, but you got to have very straight teeth, otherwise they cover all surfaces. Plus not everyone should have their teeth whitened without being checked first by their dentist.
Why?
Different reasons, like you may have a cavity that you did not know about. Putting a bleaching solution on will only make it worse.
Wow. So it is better to have my teeth whitened by a dentist.
Dentists use the kits similar to what you see in the store, but they are of much higher quality. For one thing, dentists will customize the trays to fit each patient. With a better fit, a stronger bleach is used, since it's much less likely any will spill on your gums or mouth.
So it is safer to do the bleaching with a dentist.
Another thing that most people do not know is that dental fillings and any other ceramic stuff in your mouth, such as the dental veneer, always must be treated by a dentist to match the new color of your bleached teeth. So if your teeth whitening is done by a dentist, your entire mouth can get the proper treatment.
That is the way I would like it. Are you allowed to use the custom teeth whitening trays at home?
Yes. People wear them for a few hours during the day, or while they sleep at night. Depending on how badly stained the teeth, the whitening could be done in 3 to 4 days, or take up to 2 weeks.
And whiter, more youthful teeth.
Correct. But many dentists also offer whitening procedures in the office. Some call this power whitening or zoom whitening.
It makes me stronger.
No. But it is much faster. We customize very snug trays into which we place a very strong solution and put them on your teeth. We follow this by focusing a special light onto the teeth to activate the whitening further. It's all done in little more than an hour.
That sounds powerful.
The patient usually gets a second set of customized trays to take home, which they use to touch up any whitening using a slightly weaker solution.
So how long does the whitening last?
That depends mostly on the patient's habits. Do they smoke, drink coffee, red wine or consume other teeth-staining foods? Some whitening lasts 6 months. Others 2 to 3 years before another whitening is needed.
This all sounds pretty good.
Whitening has really advanced, especially during just the last few years.
So as we get older, Whitening techniques get better, so we can look younger.
Pretty nice how that works, huh?
Makes me want to smile.
A healthy smile makes you look and feel great. Thus, a regular visit to your dentist can help you look and feel great. See you at your next dental appointment.